Hey guys, so Module 3, Lesson 3, we're going to work on counting between 90 and 1,000. And we're going to do that with 1, 10s, and 100 bundles. I know you've been seeing these bundles. And so I actually wrote the number on here, what they represent. Obviously, the biggest one is going to be a bundle of 100, and you can call them sticks or straws. And then this bundle here is a bundle of 10. And then, of course, 1 by itself would be a 1. So we're going to count from 428 to 600 using these bundles. And I've already gone ahead and drawn out the 428. So if we were to count these, we would go 100, 200, 300, 400. 410, 420, 421, 422, 423, 424, 425, 426, 427, and 428. And looking at this number, you can also look at it as the hundreds place. So there's 4 hundreds. Look at the tens place. There are 2 tens. And the ones place. There are 8 ones. Okay, so then we're going to count to 600. Well, we don't want to count by ones all the way to 600 because that will take forever. So we want to get out of the ones place as quickly as possible. So to do that, we need to focus on this ones. So how many more ones do we need to put to get us to the next 10? Okay, so let's start counting. So I have all my sticks down here. So this is 428. So then if I add one more, it's going to be 429, 430. And what might be helpful also is if you write the number below it. So we started with 428. That is this whole box up here, all of this. Sorry about my drawing. I think I always apologize for that because I'm drawing with a mouse on a little notebook. Okay. And then we counted to 429 and then 430. And if you notice here in the ones place, I have zeroed this out. That's exactly what I wanted to do. And now I can actually jump up and I can actually start using the tens, the bundles of tens to count. So I would take a bundle of 10 here. So I'm not at 430 anymore. I'm at 440. Okay. And again, you can write the numbers below and that will help keep you on track. So 440. Okay. And then my next one's going to be 450, 460, 470, 480, 490, and 500. Okay. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to label all of these with the actual number. So I would have 450. This would be 460, 470, 480, 490, and then 500. And what's great now, if you notice on 500, I don't have to count by ones or tens anymore because I've zeroed both of those out. I'm at the next 100 now. So remember, the goal here was to get to 600. So I can just now take my last 100 bundle and count by 100. So I'm at 500. I put one more, and that gets me to my goal number of 600. And I'll go ahead and label that one also. pen back there. Okay, and this one is 600. And there you go. We have counted from 428 all the way up to 600 using our ones, tens, and 100 bundles. So I'd like you to do some practice today on your problem set, drawing these out. For your bundles, like I've said in the video before, it doesn't have to be exactly 100 in the bundle. It doesn't have to be exactly 10 in the bundle. Just make sure that your 100 bundle looks the biggest. Your 10 is kind of in medium. And then your 1 is just a single straw or stick when you draw. Okay? Let me know if y'all have any questions. Bye, guys.